Hey everyone, namaste and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you food from Udipis Upahar restaurant. They sell North Indian, South Indian and a lot of other dishes. And today we are going to see all about chaats. So without further ado, let's get started.
இரண்டு பானிபூரி ஒரு தகி பூரி உனக்கு ஒண்ணு அண்ணாக்கு ஒண்ணு அம்மாக்கு ஒண்ணு அம்மாக்கு ஒரு பானிபூரி உனக்கு ஒரு தகி பூரி அம்மா தம்பிக்கு ஒரு தகி பானிபூரி
ले लीजिए। सर पाव भाजी।
So I had ordered the kachori chaat and the pani puri, and this is how the kachori chaat looks. It was very yummy and very delicious. Here is the pani puri and we have the spicy water in a glass on the side. After that we decided to go to Just Bake and order some cake because we were craving dessert. As you can see, there are a ton of varieties of cakes available. We have the red velvet cake, the Irish coffee cake, then you have choco lava cake, then you have donuts. We have the classic conventional white forest, black forest, lychee cake, and Just Bake has a lot of cakes to offer. They also have the Oreo cake, which is absolutely yum. Also, they sell cupcakes both with white and black frosting, and they also have a wide selection of their own chocolates from which you can choose your favorite. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all the videos as soon as they are uploaded. Social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.